lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine. Thank you so much for stumbling on my video. Today's video is going to be a Tellin what I'm selling. So if this is your first time stumbling on one of my selling videos, I have a side hustle, you guys. This is how I make extra cash. I find things in my home that are lying around and I don't use, and I post them on buy and sell sites such as Facebook Marketplace, Kijiji, or Let Go. So if you have anything lying around the home, create a profile, post it, and boom, you can make a couple extra dollars. So in these videos, I'm gonna show you what I'm selling, how much I'm selling it for. I'll let you know which site I posted it on. I'll give you the reason why I'm selling it, and if there's anything that I bought, I'll show you that too. I had a customer contact me on Facebook Marketplace. I make a lot of money off of Facebook Marketplace, and she contacted me for two things. The first thing that she contacted me for were for these brushes. Let me just turn my light down so you can see. These brushes here, they have glitter in them. There's 3 of them and they're brand new. I just don't have the plastic for them. I listed these at $10. The next item is a BH Cosmetics 120 color palette, and it's the 4th edition. I don't know if y'all remember this from back in the day. Super old. I'll just show you what it looks like. So that's the first tray. Then this is the second one. And this palette I listed at $20. My reason for selling these, I don't use them. I've never used them before. They're cute, but I don't have a need for them, so perhaps the person I'm selling to will have. As for this one here, when I first got it, I used it a few times, but then I just didn't gravitate towards it, and it's been honestly, it's been sitting there for years. Both items, I did list them as or best offer, so she could have made an offer to me and I would have accepted it, but she didn't mention anything, so I'll be making $30. $30 in a matter of seconds. I'm telling you guys, if you have anything, post it. You never know. Just because you don't have a use for it, it doesn't mean that somebody else won't, right? So I'm gonna go head off and meet her. She's gonna be here any second actually. So I'm gonna go meet her and I'll be right back because I do have plans on something that I want. So I am back. She was happy, she loved her items, and I actually went to Staples because I needed something. I wanted a label maker. I've already opened it up and whatnot, but I got a label maker. It's by Brother and it's the P-Touch P2-D210BK. And this is what it looks like. It cost me $39 with taxes, so I have to put a little bit extra, but I need this for something that I'm working on. So you can make labels. So that's what I did with the money, lovelies. Not all the time I do something with it, but I really need that label maker. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll definitely answer them for you. If you like my selling videos, let me know and I'll definitely keep recording them for you as I sell, of course. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys soon. Bye.